Let's move forward to the discussion of exercises related to grammar now. Our first grammatical topic is of relative pronouns. What are relative pronouns? A relative pronoun is a word that introduces a dependent or relative clause and connects it to an independent clause. A clause beginning with a relative pronoun is poised to answer questions such as which one, how many, or what kind, who, whom, what, which, and that are relative pronouns. So WH questions के लिए जो हम word use करते हैं, interrogative words, वही हमारे पास relative pronouns हैं. Relative clauses are also sometimes referred to as adjective clauses because they identify or give us additional information about the subject of the independent clause they relate to. Like adjectives, these clauses in some way describe that subject. Relative pronouns like conjunctions are words that join clauses, in this case a relative clause to its main clause. The type of relative pronoun used depends on what kind of noun is being described. So ये आपको और clearly समझ आएगा जब हम इसकी exercise करेंगे. So let's move forward and start our exercise, which is choose one of the relative pronouns who, which or whose to fill in the blanks. हम लोग को who, which or whose में से choose करके blanks में fill करने हैं words. First one is I talked to the girl whose car had broken down in front of the shop. तो जब हम यहाँ पे whose car use करेंगे, ये एडजेक्टिव की तरह ही यूज़ होगा क्योंकि हमारे पास गर्ल जो है वो नाउन है. अब ये जो हुज है ये गर्ल की डिस्क्रिप्शन को बता रहा है, गर्ल के बारे में हमें एडिशनल इंफॉर्मेशन दे रहा है. सो दैट्स हाउ दीज वर्ड्स एक्ट एज एडजेक्टिव्स टू. Second is Mr. Nizam dash is a taxi driver lives on the corner. Mr. Nizam, who is a taxi driver, lives on the corner. Third is I live in a house in Hayatabad dash is in Peshawar, which is in Peshawar. Fourth is this is the girl dash comes from Spain, who comes from Spain. Fifth is that's Abrar, the boy dash has just arrived at the airport, the boy who has just arrived at the airport. Sixth is thank you very much for your email dash was very interesting, which was very interesting. Seventh is the man dash father is a professor forgot his umbrella, whose father is a professor. Eighth is the children dash shouted in the street are not from our school, the children who shouted in the street. Ninth is the car dash driver is a young man is from Ireland, the car whose driver is a young man is from Ireland. 10th is what did you do with the money which your mother lent you? Let's move on to our next grammatical topic, which is of indefinite pronouns. Now, what are indefinite pronouns? An indefinite pronoun does not refer to any specific person, thing, or amount. It is vague and not definite. Some typical indefinite pronouns are all, another, any, anybody, anyone, anything, each, everybody, everyone, everything, few, many, nobody, none, one, several, some, somebody, someone. So let's begin its exercise, which is underline the indefinite pronoun or pronouns in the following sentences. There are a total of 10 indefinite pronouns across these 9 sentences. So we have 9 sentences and 10 indefinite pronouns, जिसका मतलब एक sentence में 2 हो सकते हैं. Then use these pronouns in your own sentence. It will be your activity कि आप खुद से sentence बनाओगे indefinite pronouns के. So first is everybody enjoys cricket matches. Everybody is indefinite pronoun. Second is, does anybody have the time? Anybody will be indefinite pronoun. Third is, one student read while the others listen to him carefully. So this is the one. इसमें 2 हैं. एक हो जाएगा one and दूसरा है others. Fourth is, nobody knows the trouble I have seen. Nobody is the pronoun. Fifth is, the secret was known by few. Few it is. Sixth is, no, the secret was known by many. Many it is. Seventh is calculus is too hard for some. Some is our indefinite pronoun. Eighth is surely you recognize somebody. Somebody it is. Ninth is there anything that I can do? Anything is our indefinite pronoun in this one. So that's it. We are done with our exercises related to grammar. Thank you. So with this we have come towards the end of our today's video lecture. I hope जो भी आज हमने पढ़ा वो आपको clarity के साथ समझ आया होगा. Inshallah we'll be talking about some new topic in our next video. Till then, take care. This is Maha, your English instructor, signing out.